all your ideas. Students, please have a look at the glimpse of creativity in learning that we students of class 7A have done to make learning easy and we all can develop by trying out new things, staying curious and thinking outside the box.
That's right. Let's challenge ourselves today to find one creative way to improve something, whether it's about studying, playing, or helping out at home.
Now, I invite our coordinator, Ms. Monica Sharma, for announcing the latest achievements.
Thank you, everyone. Whenever I am called to the podium, believe me, my heart really races with excitement. It's a wonderful feeling standing over here and announcing the achievements. So, first of all, a big round of applause for all the participants, all the achievers, everybody, all the mentors, all the parents who have prepared them very well. And let's start with acknowledging and obviously appreciating the hard work and dedication of all our achievers. May I request our Honorable Vice Principal Rena ma'am to please come up on the stage and do the honors. So let's start with the achievement. First of all, Bhavika from 7A. Bhavika from 7A, she has achieved knowledge to the school, brought knowledge to the school, won 3 gold medals in RSFI state level, 2 gold medals, 1 silver in SGFI state level, and 1 gold, 2 silver in Khed Mela held by Punjab State. All achievements and all medals belong to her only. Congratulations, Bhavika. We are proud of you. We've been waiting for you to come up here. She was busy with her national level practice and yeah. So huge round of she deserves well more. Everybody. Wonderful, Bhavika. We are very proud of you. Kanya. Congratulations, Sweetie. We are proud of you. An achiever, academic achiever. We just witnessed a sports achiever. Now we have. And amongst us, Ridhima from class 7A, a budding writer. Ridhima, a budding writer who has written a book named The Detective View, which is there in the library. You all can go and read, which is an imaginative story about how two friends solve a mystery. Congratulations, Ridhima. We are proud of you. Keep writing, keep growing, keep learning. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. And now I know that you are excited to know about the results of your debate. Though will be honored by Cedar House. Congratulations, Cedar House, for third position in Basic Cell. Second position by Maple House. Second position, Maple House. And the Bible by Oak House, first position. Wow. And now we come to the grade 8 to 9. Third position is achieved by Oak House. It's a reverse, no problem. Wonderful Oak House. Second position, again Maple House. Same in two categories. 7 and 8 and 9 also. And, oh my God, unbelievable. Cedar House, first, congratulations to all the participants, all the insurances and all the mentors. We'll be calling you soon. So keep writing, keep achieving, keep learning. Thank you. Okay.
Now, I would like to invite our Vice Principal and Coordinator to receive a creative token of love from Class 7.
Creativity all around.
The pictures are from Photography Club.
This is so nice. This is clicked by Photography Club. Anybody who has clicked it, please raise your hand. I'm really impressed. Your model is also. Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much, 7A. Thank you.
Now,
Just wait. Yes, sir.
My name is Sabreen and my birthday is on 6th December.
My name is Samaya and my birthday was yesterday.
Wow. My name is Arshita and today is my birthday.
my name is Meher and my birthday is on 9th December. I would like to invite our respected Vice Principal to come up on the stage and say a few words of wisdom to us.
Good morning, children. So many creative juices flowing everywhere today. So I will not say words of wisdom. I will have to say words of creativity today, I think. So I need to be creative in appreciating them also. Marvelous, children. It was so good. I'm spellbound. There are so many reasons why I go to class 7A. I think 7A knows it already. But today is it was just a surprise that came to me. And and creative juices were flowing everywhere, to be honest. So creativity in your presentation, and you were so good. Big round of applause for the class teacher, and all the students who have put their heart and soul in preparing the assembly. I think all the audience, everybody who is sitting there, this is the way actually assembly should be presented. Starting from the comparing team. Starting from the comparing team, when I'm appreciating, just pay attention. Yes, good. So, starting from the comparing team, you were so good today. Not even at one place, they were looking confused, and the sequence of flow, that is so important. They knew it, that what time they have to call whom. So, this kind of confidence is very important. Big round of applause for comparing team. The two people were managing the show, but it was wonderful. Then after that, I go to your rap and even your music. Then again, it was so creative. And dance, big round of applause for the dance also. Like I thought, my God, I just wonder that is happening. Where is the creativity? But immediately they just changed the tempo and they were creative. And Eddie, even their skit also. My God, once again, big round of applause for all the children who have actually presented a small skit and with so much of creativity at the same time, well prepared. They were not like missing out on any dialogue or anything, like whatever props they were bringing. I thought as if I'm witnessing some annual show. This is what, on few of the assemblies, this is what I have said earlier also. This was one of that kind of assembly. Thank you so much. Thank you. All the teachers were prepared and definitely get it close to the class teacher. So now, one more creativity that I want from the class. Find out creative ways to maintain discipline in the class. 7A, this is my small advice. Learn from the assembly today that creativity doesn't mean that we have to invent something new or we have to create some masterpiece. Creativity is in finding out that how you can solve day-to-day problems in a simple manner by being creative. For example, like when you are studying, at that time also, if you are finding any chapter difficult, so there can be various ways. Be creative in understanding, and learning that content, whatever is there. Sometimes you can take tip from your elders, from your teachers, from your mentors, and sometimes you can find out your ways and share it with others. This is the way you can be creative in your day-to-day life. And nowadays, I hope you already know that what is the talk of the of every college, every university. Are you hearing that? Everybody is talking about entrepreneurship. Have you heard? क्या सुन रहे हैं आप लोग आज? Startup? Are you hearing that? Startup culture? Or are you that young to understand it? Startup means you are just starting your own venture. So how you can start your own venture? You can start your own business, your own venture, only by being creative. You have to find solution to the problem. Once you find a creative solution, then what you can do? That solution can be converted into a business idea. It can be converted into a business also. Nowadays, people are waiting for such creative ideas and they buy ideas also. Have you ever heard of this? They purchase ideas because on that idea, what they can do? They can build their own business. They can build their own empires that way. Okay? So it is very important that you be creative, and we cannot be creative if we are searching for all answers on Google. If we are always looking for answers on maybe we are referring to Google Maharaj, or we are taking help of ChatGPT for our answers, then we cannot be creative. Read books and just try to bring your own ideas, and this is the way we can be creative. So thank you so much.